Before you spend another dollar on Higgsfield, can I ask you something? Why are you even looking for an alternative? Is it because of the price, the credits, you need longer videos, or you just want better quality? Because believe it or not, the answer changes which tool you should use. Most videos just throw 5 names on the screen and say, these are the best alternatives. That's useless. Let's match the tool to your problem. Number 5, Pika. Let's start with Pika. If you're making YouTube shorts, TikToks, Instagram Reels, Pika is just fun. It's fast. The interface isn't intimidating. You can try ideas without feeling like you need a filmmaking degree. Now, will it replace Higgsfield? Probably not. But if your goal is creating eye-catching social content as quickly as possible, Pika deserves a spot on your list. Number 4, Halo AI. Now, maybe you're thinking, I don't care about fancy effects, I just want realistic looking videos. Then Halo AI is worth checking out. A lot of creators like it because it produces natural looking motion and it's easy to iterate on ideas quickly. If you're constantly testing different ad concepts or content ideas, speed matters. And Hailuo is built for that kind of workflow. Number 3, Runway. Okay, let's say you're a little more serious. Maybe you're running an agency. Maybe clients are paying you. Maybe you're creating commercial videos every week. This is where Runway enters the conversation. It's not just about generating clips, it also gives you powerful editing tools and creative control that many professionals appreciate. Is there a learning curve? Absolutely, but that's also why a lot of experienced creators stick with it. Number 2, OpenArt. Here's one that surprises people. OpenArt. Most people know it for AI images, but today it's much more than that. If your workflow starts with characters, concept art, storyboards, or visual ideas before you ever make a video, OpenArt fits naturally into that process. Instead of jumping between 5 different websites, you can keep more of your creative work in one place. And honestly, that saves more time than people realize. Number 1, Kling AI. If someone asked me, what's the closest alternative to Higgsfield for AI video creation? I'd probably say Kling AI. Why? Because the video quality is consistently strong. It supports cinematic looking results and it's become a go-to choice for creators who prioritize realistic motion and storytelling. That doesn't mean it's perfect. No AI video generator is. You'll still rewrite prompt. You'll still regenerate scenes. That's just part of AI video creation in 2026. But if your goal is high quality AI videos, Kling deserves the number 1 spot on this list. Now, here's the thing nobody tells you. You don't have to marry one AI tool. Seriously, a lot of successful creators mix tools. Maybe OpenArt for ideas, Kling for the final video, Runway for editing. That's actually a smarter workflow than trying to force one platform to do everything. So let me ask you one last question. If you could keep only one AI video tool for the next 12 months, which one would it be? Higgsfield, Kling, Runway, OpenArt, or Hailuo? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm genuinely curious which tool creators are betting on for 2026.